Okay, children, the fourth social first lesson we have already seen question answers. Now we are going to see the some of the questions in the one word question answers. Okay, so now answer the following. I have already written the two questions. Now you can make a note down in your notebook, children. Name the greatest king of the early Cholas, that we have already written, and name the epic written by the Ilangovadigal, that also we have already written. Now the next question is, who was the greatest among the Chola period? That is also Karigala Cholan, I said. And name the capital and port of the Cholas. So you take page number 128. In that, the try to answer question is there. Page number 128. Try to answer. That given who was the greatest of the Chola period, that is Karigala Cholan. In the book itself you can write Karigala Cholan. Second one, those who are having the book can write the answer. Those who didn't have the book, you can copy down the question. You buy the books, children. Who was the greatest Chola king of ancient period? This is the question. Okay. Who was the greatest of the Chola king of the ancient period? That is Karigala Cholan. Answer is Karigala Cholan. And second one is, name the capital and the port of Cholas. Name the capital and the port of Cholas. Name the capitals. What's the capital of Cholas? Capital is Urayur. Already we have learned capital is Urayur. And then port is Kaveri Pumpattinam. Port is Kaveri Pumpattinam. Okay, children. So make a note down in your book. And now you turn the next question. Page number 129. You see, try to answer. Page number 129. Try to answer is there. Which Pandya king was mentioned in the Silapadigaram? Which Pandya king? Which Pandya king was mentioned in Silapadigaram? So which Pandya king? Silapadigaram. So the answer is Pandyan Nedunchezhiyan. Answer is Pandya Nedunchezhiyan. Is this king only, Pandya king only mentioned in the Silapadigaram? Chezhian. So learn the spelling properly, children. Pandya Nedunchezhiyan. And who wrote Madurai Kanchi? Who wrote Madurai Kanchi? Mangudi Mardanar wrote Madurai Kanchi. who wrote Madurai Kanchi. Mangudi Marudanar. Mangudi Marudanar spelling is M-A-R-U-D-H-T-H-A. M-A-R-U-T-H-A R-U-T-H-A-N-A-R. Mangudi Marudanar wrote Madurai Kanchi. Okay, children. What is inscribed in the flag of Pandyas? What is inscribed? What is inscribed in the flag of Pandyas? What is inscribed? அவங்க ஃப்ளாகில் என்ன சிம்பிள்? பாண்டியாஸோட ஃப்ளாகில் வந்து ஃபிஷ். ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஃபிஷ். ஓகே, ஸோ page number 128, these questions are there, try to answer. And page number 129, these 3 questions are there. So they write down and make a note down and write down in this. And the next one is page number, you take 130. List out the territories of the Moovendargal and the present district. So there have been territories, what all the places they captured, what are the countries they captured, and now the present la and the ஊர் எங்கெங்க இருக்கு, what are the districts are there, that we have seen. Okay, page number 130. Page number 130 is here. So list out the districts, list out the territories of Moovendargal. Chera, Chola and Pandyas இல்லையா? So Moovendargal in the present district, in the present districts of Tamil Nadu. இப்போ presentல அவங்க கேப்சர் பண்ண டெரிட்டரிஸ்லாம் எங்கே இருக்குதுன்றதை we are going to write now. So present districts we can see of Tamil Nadu. What are the districts? So first one is Cheras. So what are the districts of Cheras? Present district is present districts of Cheras. Present districts of Chera is Erode. Okay, Erode. Okay, children. Erode, Tirupur, then Coimbatore, Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Nilgiris, and Kerala also. Okay, so these are the present districts of the Tamil Nadu of Cheras territories. Okay, children. Now Cheras after Cholas. What is that? Cholas. Shall you write the Cholas? Cheras, Cholas. What are the territories of the present Cholas? So in Cholas we have to write Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Pudukottai, okay, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur. So these are the districts of the Cheras: Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, then Perambalur, Ariyalur, and Kadalur. Okay. So Cheras or territories on the Erode now present is it is Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore, Nilgiris and Kerala also. And Cholas is Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Pudukkottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kadalur. And Pandyas what are the territories now? Pandyas is Pandyas, Madurai, Theni, Dindukkal, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram districts. So these are the territories of the Pandyas in nowadays. Ramanathapuram. Okay children. So what are the territories of the Pandyas? Madurai, Theni, Dindukkal, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. So these are the present territories of the Cheras, Cholas and the Pandyas. Okay. Now this Pandyas period only they most popularly known as the Madurai is remained as the most popular city of the Sangam period, because this Madurai is famous for pearls. Madurai Pandya country is famous for the pearls. So Muttamil Sangam was held in Madurai under the patronage of Pandyas. So the Pandya spirit only they held the Madurai Muttamil Sangam in Madurai. Muttamil means Yal Isai Nadagam. Adu moonrume romba patronage of the Pandyas valandadu Madurai la. So avanga vandu first Sangam, second Sangam and third Sangam. So third Sangam only was held in Madurai. And Muttamil flourished during the period of Pandyas. In the Moondu Tamil, Yel Isai Nadagam, these three Muttamil flourished romba selipa irundhathu Pandyas period. The most famous king is Talayalanganathu Sirivendra Pandyan Nedunchezhiyan and Pandyan Nedunchezhiyan of Silappatikaram. So when Pandyan Nedunchezhiyan was a young boy, he fought at the battle of Talayalanganam and defeated against the Chera, Chola and the Kurunila Mannargal. Feudal lords means Kurunila Mannargal and combined force. So he defeated the combined force. Avanga ellariyum சேர்ந்து அவர் தோற்கடித்ததால therefore he got that title Talayalanganathu. Battle வந்து Talayalanganamன்ற place ல நடந்ததால Talayalanganathu Sirivendra Pandyan Nedunchezhiyan he got that name. Okay. So that's all in this lesson. So learn these question answers and what are the king's name, and we have written the kingdom, capital, port, symbol and famous kings are given for the Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. So you learn the page number 130, that is fill in the blanks and list out the territories. Page number 130, that is the homework. Learn this. And which was the capital of Pallavas. So now the page number 131, I'll write the question answer. Oh, two questions are there. So page number 131. 131. Which was the capital of the Pallavas? Which was the capital? Capital of Pallavas. Which was the capital of the Pallavas? The capital of the Pallavas is Kanchipuram. What is that? Answer is Kanchipuram. And the next one is where is Thondai Mandalam in Tamil Nadu? Two questions are given. So where is Thondai Mandalam? Thondai Mandalam in Tamil Nadu. Where is Thondai Mandalam in Tamil Nadu? It is located in the northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. Northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. So that's all children for this first lesson. All the question answers, fill up, match, choose they have given. Okay, so learn all this and go through this lesson. We will see you in the next class. Thank you children.